guys, welcome back to another really exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. Today we are on our way out to downtown Pittsburgh to load up another Lincoln Mark III. Found this 71 Mark III. It's a pretty cool car. Been sitting since '91. What makes this car unique? It's a factory sunroof, moonroof car, whatever you want to call it. So kind of caught our attention. The car isn't bad. It's restorable. From what we can tell, it's pretty solid. We're going to find out a little more once we get it home. But it hasn't run in 30 some years. So not sure what we're going to get into. We got the trailer on the back. We got our winch. Luckily, all the tires hold air, so we don't have to worry about that. One thing I'm concerned about is the wheels locked up, so we'll deal with that when we get there. So we're gonna see on the other end and see what we get. Catch you on the other side. Alright guys, so we made it home with this 71 Lincoln. A little disappointed in this. It's a little worse off than what we thought. The interior's real nice, but the frame's bad. That wasn't one thing that we expected, and as closely as we looked at it, I'm not sure how we missed the big hole in the front of the frame. But whatever, it's ours now. So we're gonna get it unloaded, see if we can get it running. Hopefully someone will take it off our hands and save it. It's I think it's too good to part out still. It's pretty complete. Yeah, it's a moonroof car, so My intent was not to do anything to it, just kind of buy it, clean it up, and get it on to the next person to appreciate it. Do Blake and I want to tackle another one of these so soon? Probably not.
No.
So anyway, so we're gonna get unloaded here, and we'll see if we maybe at least get it running. So that's it for this one, guys. Appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and we're gonna back us off here, and we'll see you next time.